Thank you for choosing BA Autofeeder. Today I'm going to show you how to use the complete set of functions that our Autofeeder control box provides. The control box has a top 4-digit panel that shows the time in hours and minutes, as we can see, and another lower 4-digit panel that shows the feed weight in kilograms. Here. There are 4 buttons, 1 and 2 located in the first row, and 3 and 4 located in the lower row. A single control box controls up to 16 Autofeeder. Press 1, 2 and 3 simultaneously to check the number of Autofeeder. As we can see, we have 10 connected. To change the number of Autofeeder, press and hold these buttons. The panel value will run from 1 to 16, as we can see, up to 16. Keep in mind that a single control box connected to several Autofeeder in the same pond divides the feed ration automatically. Press 2 and 4 simultaneously to select the type of feed. A light that turns on means that powder feed has been selected. On the other hand, a light that is off, as we can see, means pelleted feed. Press and hold the buttons to turn the light on and off, as we can see. To set the feeding time frequency, press 1 or 2. 1 to decrease and 2 to increase. Usually farmers set the feeding time frequency between 5 to 10 minutes for a smaller shrimp, while 1 to 5 minutes for larger shrimp. Press 3 or 4 to set the feed quantity per meal in kilograms. Press 3 to reduce the feed meal, or press 4 to increase it. The Autofeeder is capable of feeding a different ration during day or nighttime mode. The value shown in the bottom panel is the feed ration weight in kilograms for the day mode feeding time. For the night mode, the Autofeeder sets a precise percentage of this ration. To set the nighttime feeding percentage, press 1, 3 and 4 simultaneously. We can see it's 50%. In this case, the top panel shows P 0.50. P stands for percentage, while 0.50 stands for 50%. The bottom panel shows 0.150, which equals to 50% of the day mode feeding ration. Press and hold these buttons to adjust the percentage that the Autofeeder broadcasts during night time. As we can see, we can increase 51 up to 60% in this example. It is necessary to set clock time, day mode and night mode start time, and Autofeeder stop time. Press 3 and 4 simultaneously to check clock time. In this case, 16 hours, 3 minutes. Press and hold these buttons to change the time. The panel will run the value from 0 hours, 0 minutes to 23 hours, 59 minutes, as we can see. Press 1 and 4 simultaneously to check the day mode feeding start time. In this case, 6 hours, 40 minutes. Press and hold these buttons to change the time. The panel value will run as it happens with the clock time. So we change it to 6 hours, 45 minutes. Press 2 and 3 simultaneously to check the night mode feeding start time. In this case, 18 hours, 45 minutes. We can change the night mode feeding start time the same way as we did with the day mode feeding start time. Finally, to set feeding stop time, press 1 and 3 simultaneously. As we can see, stop. 1 hour, 5 minutes. In this case, the Autofeeder stops working at 1 hour 5 minutes. Press and hold these buttons to change the time. The panel value will run from 0 hours 0 minutes to 23 hours 59 minutes. Thank you very much for your attention.